Hey everyone, Seth from the BIoLite team here in the backup test kitchen, and today I'm going to walk you through the installation process. So let's see how we go from box to backup in under 30 minutes. Let's get into it. First, we're going to install the vertical mount onto the wall. Now that our bracket position is marked, I'm going to go drill the hole for the drywall anchors. Now with all of our drywall anchors installed, it's time to hang the bracket. So I have my backup unit here. These are about 40 pounds, so it's a good idea to work with 2 people if you're not comfortable lifting that amount. Let's hang it on the wall. And then our second core unit onto the wall. Lastly, we'll add a little set screw at the bottom of the bracket to keep it in place. Now you have your linker cable. Your linker cable is what's going to connect your core to your extend. Last step, you have your AC cable that's going to go from backup into the wall. So we're going to take the refrigerator that's plugged into the wall here and plug it into backup. And that's it. There you have it, from box to backup in under 30 minutes.
Looking for an even quicker kitchen installation? Backup was designed to fit on top of many popular refrigerator models. Check our installation guide for specs to see if your refrigerator can accommodate this installation method. Our omnidirectional mount allows for horizontal installation or underneath a cabinet. This is sold separately and can be purchased as an add-on in the Kickstarter campaign. From all of us here at BIoLite, thanks for watching.